Ever feel like you're drowning in debt? You're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a way out, a way to reclaim your financial freedom and live a debt-free life? Today, I'm going to reveal the exact steps to successfully get out of debt. And trust me, it's not as hard as you think. Stick around because you won't want to miss the surprising twist at the end that could change everything. Hi, I'm Mo, and welcome to our channel where we turn financial struggles into success stories. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Face your debt. First things first, you need to face your debt. Gather all your bills, loan statements, and credit card balances. It's time to get a clear picture of what you owe. Let me tell you about Jane. Jane was a teacher with over $30,000 in debt. She felt overwhelmed, but once she listed everything out, she realized it wasn't insurmountable. She could tackle this, one step at a time. Make a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and minimum payments. This is your roadmap. Step 2. Create a budget. Next, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Jane discovered she was spending $200 a month on coffee alone. Imagine redirecting that money towards debt payments. Prioritize your spending. Essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries come first. Then, allocate as much as you can towards paying off your debt. Step 3. Choose a debt repayment strategy. Now choose a debt repayment strategy. There are two popular methods, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the debt snowball, you pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Jane used this method to pay off her first credit card in just 3 months. The sense of accomplishment kept her motivated. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you money in the long run. Step 4. Negotiate with creditors. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. Sometimes they can lower your interest rates or offer a settlement. Jane called her credit card company and was able to reduce her interest rate by 5%. It made a huge difference. Be polite but persistent. Explain your situation and ask for what you need. Step 5. Increase your income. Consider ways to increase your income. Jane took on a side hustle as a tutor, which brought in an extra $500 a month. Every little bit helps. Explore gig economy jobs, sell unused items, or find freelance work. Use this additional income solely for debt repayment. Step 6. Stay motivated and track progress. Stay motivated and track your progress. Jane created a visual debt tracker and celebrated each milestone. Seeing the progress kept her going. Remember, progress is progress no matter how small. Step 7. The surprising twist. And now for the surprising twist that could change everything. Did you know there are programs designed to forgive certain types of debt completely? Jane discovered she was eligible for the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program due to her teaching job. After 10 years of consistent payments, her remaining student loan debt was forgiven. Look into debt forgiveness programs, especially if you work in public service, education, or healthcare. This twist could be your ticket to financial freedom. So, there you have it. Steps to successfully get out of debt. Face your debt, create a budget, choose a repayment strategy, negotiate with creditors, increase your income, stay motivated, and explore forgiveness programs. If Jane can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share your progress in the comments below. Together, we can turn financial struggles into success stories. See you next time.